What's going on, everybody? It is now 4:30 p.m. on Friday, May 22nd. I just started delivering. I have a DoorDash order that I'm about to head to Five Guys for. I hope it's a busy night because I need to make some money. I'll see you soon. Alright, so after my last order, I got an offer with Del Taco, which is right here. I'm pulling up to now. I'm not sure if the lobby's open, but hey, I'm staying busy. And it's with DoorDash, which is good. The orders, the first one was like $9, and this one's like a $7 order, so things are looking pretty awesome. The bad news is it is starting to like drizzle out, so if it gets bad weather, that could suck, especially since I have to wear a mask. But at least I'm out here making money, staying busy. Let's go! I just got a stacked order for GrubHub. First pickup location is Kebab House, which I'm pulling into now. And then the next one is from Stick and Stone Pizza. It's 5:30 p.m. and I've only been out for about an hour. Sadly, when my last drop-off was finished, the DoorDash offers stopped coming, so I turned all the apps on like normal, and right away I got these 2 GrubHub orders. Super excited. They're good pay. I'm pumped. So the bad thing about stacked orders with GrubHub is it's not like other apps. You pick up, you go make the delivery, and then you go to the restaurant to pick it up. I'm assuming they do that to try to keep the food fresh and hot, but it's kind of a pain, especially when the first restaurant is slow. Anyways, it's 6:10 and I'm just now pulling in to do the pickup from Stick and Stone Pizza for that second half of my stacked order with GrubHub. I just accepted an order and pay with GrubHub for a Shogun sushi, I believe it's called. Anyways, I just called after making that last drop off, and I'm now headed to the restaurant. They said it would be about 20-25 minutes, and it's an 18-minute drive from where I am. 10 miles, so that kind of sucks. But the pay's decent, and I'm staying busy. And honestly, I'm just pretty much taking anything right now just because I'm a bit desperate for money, to be honest. So it's now 7:19 p.m. And I just got to Walmart because I need to pick up some groceries and a few things for a fishing trip tomorrow. So I'm calling it a short night. I was only out for 2.5 hours delivering. With DoorDash, I made $18.75, and then with GrubHub, I made $44.37. So that's what, like $67 or something in 2.5 hours? It's pretty good. Like $22.50 or so an hour. Not a bad night, not a great night, but I stayed busy, made money. And these drop-offs are super easy. When they're contactless, you just leave it at the door, text them, take a picture, whatever, knock on the door, let them know that you delivered it, and that's it. What's going on, everybody? It's 4:36 p.m. and it's Tuesday, May 26th, and I'm out delivering. I'm starting off with DoorDash. I just got my first order for Sakura Chinese and Japanese restaurant. I do also have a GrubHub block going on, but I haven't gotten anything from them yet as far as orders go, and I don't know, it might be slow. It's the day after Memorial Day, but I'm gonna be out for a couple hours, multi-apping more than likely. I plan to use UberEats at some point tonight. Be sure to stay tuned. That last order was super easy. In case you didn't know, we're just dropping it off at the door. Right after that, I got an offer for $5 for McDonald's. I rejected it. I was like, no, I'm not feeling doing that low of an order. About a minute goes by, I get an offer for like 10, 11 bucks, something like that for Little Caesars. I'm like, all right, sweet, I'll grab that. And then like 5 minutes after that, while I'm driving to Little Caesars, I got an offer for $6 for a stacked order. I'm like, that's actually pretty good for a stacked order, and it said it was only 0.2 miles away from the prior drop-off. So short mileage, and it's like 16-17 bucks for 2 orders. I just got to Little Caesars. I'm gonna run inside, grab that pizza. We out here making money. So my dash ended. I only had a 30-minute dash. I turned on UberEats, and I'm about to pick up from McGill's. I got an offer right away, which is awesome, and it was right down the street from where I was doing that last drop-off, so that's nice. I'm probably going to be out until about 7:30 tonight, just because I do have to pick up a few things while I'm out. We are trying to potty train my son still, which has been difficult. So my wife asked me to get some M&Ms to try rewarding him when he goes to the bathroom in his potty. Also, I just want to add, if you have not yet entered for the giveaway, check out the video up above. I'm just trying to give my thanks back to my community, so be sure to check it out. To be completely honest, I thought today would be slow. But after that last Uber Eats order, I got an offer right away with Uber Eats for Fiesta Mexican restaurant. I just picked up that food. I'm leaving now to go drop it off. It's only 6 p.m. and I'm on my 5th order. So it's been a busy night. Like I said, money has been tight lately, so I'm going to be delivering a lot more than I was earlier in the pandemic. Doing my best to stay safe. If you don't know and need money, you're worried about delivering, it's contactless. It's super easy to do right now. You're mostly coming in contact with like one person who passes the food to you, and then you're dropping it off at the door, taking a picture. GrubHub and UberEats, they do provide face masks and hand sanitizer that you can request, so you don't have to buy your own if you're not able to. That last drop-off was kind of in a sketchy neighborhood, which I was like, man, I don't even know how to get out of here. This kind of sucks. Well, the good news is right away I got an offer for Taco Bell. So here we are, pulling into Taco Bell right now. In this location, it does say park in the front of the store, call and tell them you're picking up. So I'm about to call Taco Bell now, and they'll bring the food right out to me. Uber Eats is staying hot. So right after that last order, I got an order for Chapala Express. I've never picked up from this location before, but there's quite a few across this area that I've used. They're pretty much a quick Mexican restaurant, so hopefully this food is ready. Gonna run inside. I've got about an hour left of delivering, so trying to stay busy and make some good money tonight. So I just got home. So far tonight, I made $30.43 with Uber Eats, and then $31 with DoorDash. I say so far because there's still the chance the couple of the Uber Eats customers can leave me a tip. So that's what, $61.43. I was out for just about 2.5 hours, so that's like 25 bucks an hour, something like that. Pretty good night, especially because it's a Tuesday night and I wasn't out for that long. I hope you all enjoyed this video. I'll be sure to see you soon. Peace.